Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio, doing a flip through of my new Winter Bounty series that was recently uploaded to my Etsy shop. It consists of 4 kits. So there's kit 1, the journal pages, and it's 37 pages. Then there's kit 2, the coordinating pages. Isn't that beautiful? And it's 38 pages, and this is one of the pages in it. I just love it. Then there's kit 3, which is pattern pages, and there's 34 pages in that kit. And as you can see, these can be used for any blue projects that you have. It doesn't have to be necessarily just for the Winter Bounty kit, and you'll find a lot of the kit is that way. And then we have kit 4, which is the ephemera, fussy cuts, labels, tickets, and a whole bunch of bits and bobs and really cool embellishments. And that is 45 pages. So 4 kit series. So we now have a summer's bounty, a fall bounty, a winter bounty, and a spring bounty. So we have all the seasons covered. You can find all of the flip throughs for all of the digitals that I've just mentioned in the description box below. Kit 1, journal pages, is 37 pages. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's stunningly beautiful. It has a lot of writing space in it, which I think is really cool. And I also did something a little bit different in that every journal page that has strong focal points, I created a page with writing paper that coordinates with the background of the page with the focal points. So it is a seamless transition from one page to the next if you want to bind it in your journal that way. So it's like a real book in that every layout is one cohesive sort of page. So I thought that was super cool. And it just really creates a lot of writing space. And so you have it there, and then on the flip side, it looks like that. So really cool. Everything is authentic vintage ephemera and images, which I really love. And then this swirly pattern has a faded out version. So you can write on that, obviously, and kind of cool. You don't have to match it up with this one here. You could match it up. And although the background does match with one another, it's faded and that's not, but still. It looks really cool together. So there's 3 pages in this background design, and the page that is this background design with no subjects, no writing papers, and not faded out is in kit 2. So we have that. And then we have 3 pages that are the same as the ones I just showed you, in that we have a focal antique poetry and your writing space, and same with that side. And then we have the faded out version of this print, and then the unfaded print of this is in kit 2. So that's the 3 pages for that background. Then we have this beautiful scenery landscape, people going to church. I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite pages. And for this page, I have the image faded out here for your writing space. So switched it up a little bit, but again, it's seamless. So half the horse is here and half the horse is there. So that's really cool. And then we have these beautiful ladies and the little girl. They're all skating, some skating song ephemera. This is where I start to introduce the botanicals that are part of the kit. So we have the pine cones and the beautiful white flowers and the blueberries, and then the snowflake background. So here we go, strong focal points, and then here is the coordinating writing page for it. Doesn't that look beautiful? And then here it is on the other side. And then this snowflake background is the medium-sized snowflakes for this one. And then we also have another set of pages with those medium-sized snowflakes. Beautiful deer and the birds. And then, oops, here it is with its writing paper. I mean, there's writing paper on this focal point page, but yeah, it lines up. So there's that. And then here are the snowflakes. These are medium size. These are the large size. And then we have a writing paper for it. Really pretty. And then we have this background. Oops, sorry. In its faded out version. So there's the 3 for that set, or that grouping. And then here's those beautiful botanicals with a blue background and some beautiful white script. And then here it is with its writing paper. And then here is that background faded out. So that's the set for these ones. Really pretty, or the grouping. I keep saying set, but the grouping. And then here are those same botanicals, but filling the page in a small size. You'll see a larger size here in a minute. And then there it is, lined up with its writing page. Super pretty. And there it is in the large, so you can see there's the small, and then there's the large. It too has a writing paper. And I believe it's faded. Yeah, and there's the third one that's faded. So there's that grouping. And then we have the florals there with some ledger in behind. It too has a writing page. And we have these pretty ladies with some beautiful, the botanicals in the background and some music. And then this lines up like that. So, so pretty. And then we have the snowflakes with some beautiful blue script. And it too has its writing page. This is really great for collaging with too, making ephemera. And then we have the really pale blue that coordinates with the whole series. Just a plain one for backing or writing. And then we have it here with the music lines. And then we have just the plain background with all the distressing around the edges, which I really love. And there's the lines in that one. And then we have some ledger with blue lines and writing. And then we have this really cool swirly neutral page. Great for writing again, or backgrounds, or even making pockets and such with. And then we have another neutral one here, and it's got just a really faint swirl. And then we have another neutral here, and it's like a fabric sort of canvas texture. You can find all of the links to the Winter Bounty series in the description box below. And don't forget to subscribe to the Junk Journal Studio's design team for lots of inspiration using the studio's digital. So their links are down below as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.